soft, airy, and fluffy. This recipe will take your cornbread to a different level. Hello my friends and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how easy it is to make cornbread or corn cake so quickly, and it's much better than any cornbread you'll ever taste. Save it, try it, and let me know what you think. You're gonna start with 1 extra large egg. Break it up just a little bit with a whisk. Then you're gonna add 85 grams of melted cooled butter. This is unsalted. You're gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar. Whisk to incorporate the ingredients very well. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gonna add 1 cup of whole milk. I highly recommend you use whole milk for this recipe. I'm gonna add also 10 ounces of sweet corn cream style. This is canned, you can also use frozen, and it's always best to have everything at room temperature. All you have to do now is add the dry ingredients: 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. You don't have to sift anything or mix the dry ingredients by themselves. Just add them on top of the wet batter. Mix until everything is well incorporated. The batter is now ready. How easy was that? I'm gonna cook in a cast iron that I brushed well with unsalted butter. Add the batter, every little bit of it, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, and it should be ready. Meanwhile, I'm gonna mix some butter and honey to brush on top of the cake when it's ready. The cake is out of the oven, it's still hot. I'm gonna add the butter honey mixture, brush on top. It's gonna be shiny and so good. This cake is perfect warm or room temperature, and it's gonna be the star of the show on any occasion. Give it a try soon and let me know how you like it in the comments box below. I also want to remind you that I always appreciate your comments and feedback, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my recipes. You'll always find the ingredients and the preparation method in the description box. And until next time, my friends, bon appétit!